Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing number 236. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 must be here. I don't see, oh. And this 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 there, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. And I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 6s covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 3. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this top row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here, so this is our 2. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. Oh, and this 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.